Good morning, children. Let us today start with the next topic, that is rate of doing work, that is power. Now, let us take an example. Suppose you have to reach Sevak from Siliguri. Now, if you go through a cycle by bicycle in Sevak to Sevak, how much time you may take? You may take 1 hour. But if you travel the same distance, you are the same person and traveling the same distance by a motorbike, then how much time you will take? Naturally, less than maybe half an hour, less than the bicycle. You will reach faster if you travel by motorbike. Why? Because bike is more powerful than bicycle. Okay, so powerful means here the term power has come. Power measures the speed of work done, whether how fast the work is done or how slow the work is done. So what is power? Power is defined as rate of doing work. What is power? Power is defined as rate of doing work, or we can also define power as work done in unit time. Power can be also defined as work done in unit time. And work is equivalent to energy. So if you define power in terms of energy, how it will be? Power, it is defined as rate of transfer of energy. Power is defined as rate of transfer of energy, or it can be defined as energy consumed in unit time. Power is defined as energy consumed in unit time. So in terms of work done in unit time is power. In terms of energy consumed in unit time is power. Okay, so this is the definition of power. Now comes the formula. Power is equal to, I am saying, rate of work done. So work by time or energy by time. So W by T. From this you will get the SI unit of power. W, that is work. What is the SI unit? Joule. For time, what is the SI unit? Second. So what will be the SI unit of power? It will be joule per second. It will be joule per second. This joule per second is given a term watt, W-A-T-T, in honor of James Watt. This unit has been given. Now joule per second. So how can you define this 1 watt? What is 1 watt? If 1 joule of energy is consumed in 1 second, if 1 joule of energy is consumed in 1 second, then the power is said to be 1 watt. Or if 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then the power is said to be 1 watt. Got it? Okay. Now the bigger units of this power is kilowatt. Now 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. You can see there down, 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. So 1 kilowatt is equal to, now watt, it is joule per second. So it is 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 joule per second. Don't get confused between watt and joule per second. Joule per second is nothing but it is watt, which is the SI unit of power. Okay. Now coming to the commercial unit of energy. This is something which is very important. Now what is commercial unit of energy? Commercial unit of energy is, commercial means what? Commercial means which is used in terms of business terms or on large scale. We don't use energy in terms of power in terms of what? Generally when we say calculate your meter units and all, or we consume the energy for 1 month or for year, all those things we calculate in terms of unit or your bigger units. Those units which are used is called as commercial unit. Now commercial unit of energy is 1 kWh, or you can take it as kilowatt hour. Bigger unit of energy, that is commercial unit of energy, is kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. What is this kilowatt hour? Here I have told you that what is you can see the formula of power. Power is work by time. You can in place of work you can place it and write P is equal to E by T. Here P is equal to W by T is even. W, in place of W you can write P is equal to E by T. So E will be equal to P into T, means power into time. Energy is equal to power into time. So power SI unit is watt, time SI unit is second. So you will have the same thing. But here when it comes to greater unit, kWh in place of power, or SI unit, or instead of power, unit of power will be kW, kilowatt, and unit of time will be hour. So it becomes kilowatt hour. So here this kilowatt hour we can just relate it. This conversion is something which is very important. Yes, before that one thing I want to say, the meter reading which you see at your home, there you can count it as 50 units, 10 units. So that 1 unit is how much? 1 unit is equal to 1 kWh. 1 kWh means 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, see here how you can write K in small, W in capital, and H in small. This way only you will have to write 1 kWh is equal to 1 unit. Now see here the conversion. 1 kWh is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Yes, so kilowatt, in place of kilowatt, 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt. So it is written 1000 watt, and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds it is written. Now you multiply this. So 36 and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 zeros here. Now this is watt second, that is joule. Then comes here watt you know SI unit, watt is joules per second. So second cancel, it is only joule is left. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joules. So this you need to remember. What is the commercial unit of energy? Kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit, and 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joules. You also need to remember the formula for work. It is power into time, or you can also write it as energy is equal to power into time. So this is the commercial unit of energy. Got it? Because this topic is important to the point of view of 10th standard. Here numericals are also some numericals are also there, which is important to the point of view of 10th standard. So you need to be very clear with this. Clear, children? Now I think so our chapter has been completed. We can I'll just be giving you question answers, and you solve that, do that and write it in your copy. Okay, thank you children.